Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. I will be doing another cup layering experiment. I had this cup layered, and as I was looking for some colors to use for today's painting, I seen this cup already sitting there, so I don't want what happened to my last painting to happen to this one with the mold spores and it's smelling really funky. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this cup. I am not sure what colors I used in this painting because, again, it's been sitting for a while and it doesn't smell or anything, but I said I'm just going to go ahead and pour it and see what happens. I am going to stop talking now. I'll let you enjoy this video and talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. So this was another cup layering that I did. And when I was done pouring all the paint out of the cup, I love the colors, but I lost a lot of that color because that color was on the outside and not the inside. I think this, what you see here, what's left on the canvas, I think this was actually from another cup layering that I did, and I had some remaining paint left in the cup and I actually added to it. So I added like some blues, some purples, I think maybe like a turquoise green. Sorry, there's an emergency vehicle outside. Okay. So they must be nearby because that took a while for them to pass. But I added some blues, I think a couple purples and a turquoise green on top. I lost the composition along the way trying to stretch off excess paint. And I don't know how I feel about the composition right now. I'll see what it looks like dry. Yeah, but I love this corner here, this top right corner. I love how that looks like waves, sort of. So I'll see how I feel about the composition once it dries. Here is the dried results. You guys will probably see this painting a couple days from now, but honestly, it dried beautifully. I love all the details in this painting. I just do not know how I feel about the composition. Yeah, I just don't know. But other than that, it is completely dry and it is ready for varnishing. Thank you for watching.